need some gas on.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Foster, and today I'm in another new shop, or more like my parents' garage.
Hey Mom! The meatloaf!
The main reason why I wanted to work out of here today is because I needed a heated space for today's installation, and that is because I'm going to be installing a set of OLM rain guards. The first thing I'm going to do is use some glass cleaner to wipe off the inside of the rain guards. Once they're installed on the car, it's going to be hard to get any sort of fingerprints or anything like that off of them, so I like to wipe them down before I do my install. Since the set of rain guards I'm going to be installing is actually a used set, it doesn't have any adhesive on it at the moment, so I'm going to cut up some strips of 3M and attach them to the rain guards, but obviously you can skip this step if you guys bought a brand new set of rain guards. It should come ready to go. So starting on the driver's front door, this is basically how the rain guard is going to sit once it's installed. It covers the whole sill end to end, so make sure that you get everything lined up right. But before I pull all the backers off on the 3M, I'm going to show you guys a little trick to make this install a lot easier. So get your 3M started and then fold it over itself so it sticks out and there's a little tab where you can grab on it. And then that way you don't have to get everything perfectly aligned. You can just get it started and then you can peel the 3M off as you go. Once you're happy with where it's all in place, you got it all lined up where you want it, then you can pull the backer off completely and then press it onto the car. So just continue to peel that backer off as you work your way down the door. And you do want to make sure you do this in a somewhat warm environment. That's why I want it to be in a heated garage, because you don't want to do this if it's super freezing out, otherwise the adhesive's not going to have a good bond. Another thing you can do is use a heat gun, and that will help the 3M so it gets nice and sticky. All right, we've got the rain guard installed on the driver's door. Now we got 3 more doors to go. Boom, got rain guards on the driver's side. Looks really good. What a simple installation that was to get those rain guards on the WRX, but it really does make a huge difference with how the car looks. I'm a big fan of any exterior mod. It just kind of personalizes your car a little bit, and that's one of my favorite things about modifying cars, so definitely a 2 thumbs up from me. What do you guys think about the rain guards? Let me know if you're a fan in the comment section down below. And if you do want to save some money on picking up a set, I actually have a discount code to the SubiSpeed website you guys can use. Use FJ10 to get 10% off your order. That can be for some OLM rain guards or really anything on the SubiSpeed website. So hopefully you guys enjoy that little discount. And with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.